This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable food boats, specifically these bamboo boats. They're made from natural bamboo, and there's a few sizes. The small is 4 3/4 inch long by 2 inches wide. The medium, which is 7 1/4 by 3 1/2. And the large, which is 8 1/2 inches long and 4 inches wide for a nice hefty capacity. The boats are available in these 3 sizes and are made of all natural bamboo, so they're compostable and biodegradable, along with having a lovely, unique pattern to them because they're made of that great bamboo. They're an awesome option for eco-minded establishments looking for an alternative to traditional paper boats. They're suitable for use with both hot or cold foods, and they're also naturally grease resistant. They're designed to be stackable to help you save space in your busy kitchen. And they feature that great natural soft wood tone that kind of hints at their eco-friendly nature. The sturdy walls and durable base can easily handle hefty foods and help contain messes, keeping your customers' hands clean. They're perfect for a variety of food establishments like restaurants, cafes, food trucks, as well as caterers for a range of different functions.